I'm being attacked by and tortured by my neighbors from my neighbor's location and they have placed certain cell towers, certain devices which are spraying radiation into my house constantly from past 7 months. They are torturing me, they harass me mentally, torturing, and they keep on saying words private to me and all. Please take some action. I'm presenting. If you don't believe me, see here. We there is an app called Cell Mapper. So as far as we can see the map, the red dots, these are in my neighbor's house, and this is my blue dot is my house. I'm inside blue dot. See, and I'm being attacked by from their houses. Why will there be self-deployments in their private residences? Can you tell me? These are the numbers of the We Node B IDs. This 44282 805842 905842 are the eNode B IDs of Airtel cellular towers. So they are attacking me. I request you to the government agencies to do something, please. Here is further proof. My attacks are coming from the neighbor's house, next door neighbor. See the green dots, the real cell tower location. It's from the neighbor's house. I was sure about this from past 7 months. They have been doing this from past 2 years, torturing and mutilating us, attempt to murder, slow kill process. These people need to be given death penalty. See, it's coming blue dot. Blue dot is my location, and the green dot lines are the radiation points coming from the neighbor's house. This is concrete evidence. What can be denying this? How can they do this without? It's coming from their house, and they have been doing sound harassment, mental harassment from the past 7 months. That is evident. That was quite evident to me. I just needed some concrete proof, and I present here. Everything is clear. See, this is evidence. This is evidence. This is evidence. This is clear evidence. They have placed cell towers, deployments, devices inside their houses. This is clear evidence. See, and this all are the houses also. These are also suspected. The main culprit here is this. These people know everything what's happening. These people know everything what's happening. So this asshole right now, I was making this video. So these assholes came to know, and they got irritated, they got fucked up. So they turned on their primary attack location from this place. Now I'll show you what they're doing. Okay, the attacks have started. I'll show you. This is a dummy tower. They're projecting from, they're broadcasting from here, this place. Okay, see the cell ID along with the PCI number, PCS number. Okay, 309. Now I'll show you what they're doing. Okay, this fuckers what they're doing, assholes. This is a net monster app. Now see, they turned it off. Now they'll do it very soon. I'll show you this. And still, see, now they changed it. Now they're projecting from a different location. See this, it's in a government building, society ministry. This is in a government complex compound. I don't know if it's a private, but I've seen here it's some government institute, it's some NGO or some government institute. See, band 5, they're using the B5 850 band. 850 band is attenuated less, and the signal is more clearer, and it can cause sharp pains, sharp attacks. These are sharp attacks. The 850 band, the lower the frequency, the more penetration power it has, and the less attenuation it has. I'll show it to you. Now see, they're doubling the frequency. They're using 2 bands and attacking me on the same 2 bands, 850 band and 1800. This is the biggest proof here. They're doubling the bands, 850 and 1800 bands. They're doubling. Now see, as soon as I was saying this, they removed it. Now they put it on 1800 band. This fuckers asshole think they are very smart, but they're even more smarter people than them. See, now they stopped it. As soon as I was recording, they stopped. These fuckers. Okay, but still, see, they're still projecting from this location. These 2 fucking people need to be brought to the police and ripped apart, lynched apart. These people. This is in private residences. This one. This is also in a private residence. There is no cell deployment here. Nothing. They actually does illegal broadcast stations. And now they started from my house. They are placed illegally here in my house. Something. 387. These relay point nodes. These people think they are smart, but they are smarter people than them. They are lowly chap people.